領域展開無料空所
and the entire world changes. But what if I told you you could actually do that in real life? So here's the story. I was bored and I had been watching Jujutsu Kaisen for the 100th time. And I thought, you know what would go absolutely crazy? A web application that responds to your voice. It's genius because anime community gets it. We all anime fans have imagined having our own superpowers. For instance, speaking domain expansion and a domain open up, or speaking Getsuga Tensho, you get a sword which elongates. Oh, not like that, sorry for that. So it's time to create a web application in which if I speak domain expansion, a domain open up, and we can actually relive that dream of childhood. It starts in the initial phase. This is where we wait for the trigger. Once we activate the domain, we switch to video, the domain video obviously, and finally static when the energy runs out. Now, how does the browser hear a domain expansion? I use the raw web audio API. So I created an audio context and an analyzer. Think of it analyzer as a six-sizer for sound. It breaks down the audio waves into data we can read. And here is the binding verb. I calculated the average volume. If it goes over 75, the function fires. I set it to 75 because 50 was too sensitive. Like I breathed, then it triggered. And at 75, you actually have to scream. Like seriously, you have to scream. For the visual effect, I am using Framer Motion. Infinite Void floods your brain with information, right? So I need to flood the screen with some kind of messages. But instead of infinite knowledge, I decided to flood you with facts. Look at line 42, read the code line. Subscribe Diamond or you are Gejo. I mean, am I wrong? If you pause the video inside the domain, this is what you see. Don't blame me, okay? Blame the code. By the way, subscribe kar dena. Okay, code is explained, logic is solid. Time to see if I have enough curse energy or not. Plus, if you don't know coding, then your brain might have exploded so far. No need to worry about this because the end product is gold.
Domain expansion.
And there it is, the complete total transformation. My voice, just my voice, brought the entire void into existence. The animation looks for exactly 21 seconds, long enough to feel the weight of what happened, long enough to scream again if you want to speak the whole domain expansion name. And then it settles, the void becomes static, and the subscribe button appears. And if you don't subscribe, you are Gejo. Because if you are this invested in the video experience, you need to support this kind of content. I mean, yeah, you can support me now. I deployed this on Netlify. The link is in the description. Go scream at your laptop or mobile screens. Just don't get the cops called on you, okay? Be safe from your neighbors. Subscribe Diamond. See ya. Bye-bye.